One day I come to Tanzania, tourist from Colombia. My name is Jackson.
Game over.
Tanzanian sun is very dangerous to my skin. I can't survive it. My first attraction to see in Tanzania is something like a tomato. It's very amazing. I'm going to look, but I don't know what is it. Wow, it's very amazing. But this is like a poor food from my country, Colombia. I'm so surprised to see it. This food is used for pig from my country. My first day to test it, to eat. This in Swahili called kachora. I take a video to show my people from Colombia. This is Tanzanian public bus, but in Colombia this is animal public bus. I don't know why people look at me, but I think I am handsome. Tanzanian people is very humble. Tanzania is very attractive country. See these people, it's very attract me. They sleep in daladala and don't sleep in bed. He is like a poor man in this country. But I'm happy to see it. I'm taking a photo to show my son and my wife to laugh it.